Hi, we're going to look at number 15 from 11.5. So a board game uses the deck of 20 cards shown to the right. If one card is drawn, determine the probability that the card shown shows a bird or an odd number. So because this is odd, we know we're going to have, or an or situation, we're going to have probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Okay, so that's what our plan is here. Okay, so if we go back and take a look, we want to figure out the probability of A. A is a bird. B is odd number. And A and B is a bird and odd. So first we got to figure out what the probability of a bird is. So there's 5 out of 20 cards that are birds. Then the odd cards are 1, 3, and 5. So we have 4 of each of those. So we'll have 12 out of 20. Minus, and then the probability that it's a bird that's also odd. So we have a 1, 3, and 5 that are birds. So 3 out of 20. So then we go ahead, let's see if I can make this. There we go. So we can add up the numerators, then subtract 3. So 5 plus 12, we get 17 minus 3. So we're going to get 14 out of 20. So 7 out of 10. Okay, so that should work out.